Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Welcome to the Disciplines and Ideas in the Social Science course. This subject will introduce students to basic concepts, subjects, and methods of inquiry in the disciplines that comprise the social sciences. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Please click the like button, and if you have comments or questions, please write them below. Thank you. Let's begin with our first lesson. Our first topic is about social sciences as a study of society. The most essential learning competency of this module is for the students to differentiate the nature and functions of social science disciplines with the natural sciences and humanities. Specifically, this module will help you to describe social sciences as a comprehensive study of society, compare and contrast social sciences, natural sciences, and humanities. Lastly, appreciate the importance of social sciences as instruments to deeply understand the society. First off, let us define what is a society. A society is described as an organized group of individuals whose members work together or regularly meet and have a shared territory, interest, and way of living. Likewise, it signifies companionship or association with others. According to various philosophers, society is the outcome of the purposeful activities of the people who came together for the achievement of a shared goal. A society can be in terms of location or can be based on shared interests and goals. For example, as individuals living in the Philippines, we have a society of Filipinos with shared traditions, history, and territory. But, within this society, there can be individuals who are inclined to teaching and education, and that can be a society of teachers and educators. Society is such a broad topic and is difficult to study due to its complexities and problems. This is the significance of social sciences as an advantageous instrument in studying the different facets of our society and understanding the complications surrounding it. A kindness reminder. The person who treats others kindly and thinks well of them will find that his intention will remain true, he will feel at ease, his heart will be sound, and God will protect him from evil and calamity. From Imam Ibn al-Qayyim. Social sciences. What is social science? It is any branch of academic study that deals with human behavior and its relationship with the society. Social sciences is defined as the body of knowledge concerned with the methodical study of various aspects of our society, numerous social phenomena, and the impacts of these occurrences on people's lives. Social sciences is a branch of science that focuses on the interpersonal relationships among people living in a society. It also touches up on how civilizations are made and how people are growing and adapting to different situations, cultures, and societies. Over the past centuries, social sciences focused on the contributing factors or elements that molded and governed the development of the human civilization. Elements of social sciences. There are two substantial elements of social sciences. First is the society. Society situates social sciences in individuals as social beings and their social and cultural backgrounds or environments, such as how societal issues are affecting individuals' lives. The second element is empirical analysis. Empirical analysis places social sciences in an academic mode of investigation about human society using the scientific method and rational process of obtaining knowledge. Because of this element, learning about society and understanding the things that are happening in it need to be conducted experimentally, such as having a keen observation, critical analysis, and interpretation of social facts identified from the individuals living within a certain society. A brief history of the social sciences. Ancient Greece is said to have influenced a lot of field of studies, and social sciences is no different. Ancient Greece, considered to be the cradle of Western civilization, has contributed to the gradual development of the different fields of study under the social sciences. From their belief systems, arts, education, and even structural designs, ancient Greece have made lasting impressions that became influential and inspirational to social sciences. The Renaissance period. Renaissance means rebirth in French. This period is said to be the rebirth of arts, sciences, and culture, which is said to have started in Italy. In this period, expansion of classical ideas, different art forms and philosophy and scientific inquiry have been greatly spread. Age of Enlightenment. Different concepts from various philosophers gave way to consciousness of human diversity and development of a distinct science of society. Islamic developments. The teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has started more than 1400 years ago, and it has specific areas of human character, behavior, and extensive teachings on building relationships, dealing with people and the entire society. After the passing of the Prophet and the great caliphs, scholars and students of knowledge have continued on preserving and studying the narratives of how the Prophet lived his life, his biography and his relations with different groups of people. One of the most notable works is from al-Biruni, who wrote a detailed comparative study on anthropology of peoples, religions and cultures in the Middle East, Mediterranean and South Asia. The time of positivism. Positivism is a philosophy that believes that every single reasonable affirmation can be scientifically proven or tested by empirical sciences or is capable of mathematical or logical evidence. This philosophical theory is guiding social sciences in grasping and explaining numerous social phenomena through systematic observations, critical analyses, and interpretations of social facts found among the people living in a specific society, such as interpersonal relationships and human activities. It is Auguste Comte who founded positivism and the one who foreshadowed the use of this philosophy in studying human behaviors. Contemporary social sciences. The social sciences have truly evolved over time, and currently, it has touched on combined inquiries along with natural sciences in studying different human behaviors. Freud's theory of the functioning of the mind, and James' work on experimental psychology would have enormous impact. Sigmund Freud is an Austrian neurologist and founder of psychoanalysis, while William James is an American historian, philosopher, and psychologist. Before we differentiate social sciences to natural sciences and humanities, let us first discuss what is natural sciences and humanities. Natural sciences, or the sciences of nature, give attention on investigating every single natural phenomenon that occurred, or is currently happening, in our world using tangible evidences like natural forces, fossils, and artifacts. These are events that are tangible and are continuously experiences and observed in our world. Some of the fields under natural sciences are physical sciences, biological sciences, and earth sciences. Humanities, on the other hand, are academic disciplines that study numerous human conditions and the manners wherein the human experiences are treated and recorded. For example, humanities focus on literature, history, culture, and human values as experienced by the person. So, what is the differences among these bodies of knowledge? First, social sciences as opposed to natural sciences. Natural sciences focus on objective, natural phenomena and events, while social sciences study human and how he interacts with other people in different environments and situations. For example, natural sciences will observe the growth of a toddler by measuring the height, weight, and other physical attributes, as well as increase of psychomotor skills and development of different organs or body parts. On the perspective of social sciences, the growth of a toddler may be determined to how they perceive different situations, to their usage of words, or perhaps the different people they interact with. Now, to contrast social sciences and humanities. Humanities is an integral part of liberal arts which tends to understand, acknowledge, and analyze human in all its depth and scope, while social sciences focus on society and the interrelationship between individuals, as a member of society. For example, humanities may study a specific language formation based on the fact that it is a behavioral product exclusive to human beings and several aspects of language that makes us human and different from other creatures in the earth. Whereas social sciences may study language as to how it was formed, in which specific area it was formed, how the people naturally created language in order to communicate with their fellow people, and how it has led to various outputs such as customs, culture, and society. That is all for Module 1. I hope this helped you in answering the activities in your module. See you in the next lesson.